Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Every Tuesday and Friday, I upload new videos on unboxing, reviews, wear and tear, comparison, what fits, how to style, and I also include mug shots of designer handbags, shoes, and accessories to help you decide whether or not you want that item to be part of your collection. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. So let's go ahead and get to the video. Today, I will be sharing with you an older bag which I got pre-loved from 2017 and a new bag which I purchased just recently. I really love this bag, so I decided to get another one but in a different color. I got the pre-loved years ago because I had a shoulder surgery and I had my son carry my purse whenever we would go out. And I need a bag that would take a lot of beating and would hold a lot of my essentials as well as my kids' stuff, but not heavy for him to carry. And the Bottega Veneta Intrecciato Hobo bag was the best choice I made. When I got this bag, it was in excellent condition. It came with a dust bag and a tag. It is in medium size. The dimensions are 16.75 by 10.5 by 4.75 inches. I really love this bag because it is made with woven leather, and as you can see, there's actually a pattern on the leather which makes it really unique from other woven Bottega purses. And I also love the braided leather along the sides of the bag. The top zip opens to an interior of suede with zipper patch pocket. It is not structured and it lays flat if not filled up, which is really perfect for traveling. I've brought this in many of our family trips because it's easy to pack and does not have, it doesn't take a lot of space and it's very light. The zipper pull is made with leather. There's one zipper pocket. And the tag says Bottega Veneta. And here is the tag. The handle is very soft and I like that it stays on your shoulder and won't slide off. It is perfect for summer. I've used this as my summer woven bag. It looks great with summer clothes, whites and linens. It is very lightweight and you can put a lot of stuff in it. The more you use it, the more the leather becomes buttery soft and molds into your body and becomes very comfortable to use. It is tightly woven, so it's not easy for the weave to come off. There's a lot of positive attributes to this bag, but the only con for me, which doesn't really bother me, is that the shoulder drop is not as open, so when you get your items inside your bag, you really have to take the bag off your shoulder and place it on the crook of your arm for easier access in and out. Next, we're going to unbox the new Bottega Veneta Hobo bag. Okay, so I'm really excited. This is now my new Bottega Veneta Hobo bag in medium size. I love the quality of the dust bag. It is very soft and thick compared to other designer brands. And the bag is in dark brown woven leather or intrecciato leather. I just don't know how to pronounce it. The bag looks dark brown and kind of black. It also has one zipper pocket, suede interior, and also there's a leather tag that says Bottega Veneta on it. And it is made in Italy. And there's one slit pocket, perfect to hold your cell phone. So it comes with tags, care cards, and a mirror. The bag is really gorgeous. It is so new that it's still puffy and the leather is not as soft yet. It needs to be worn so many times to make it soft and buttery leather. Okay, so let's see what we can fit in the bag. Um, I always bring my Louis Vuitton clay key pouch, and I like to put it inside the pocket, and also my car keys so that it's easy to find, and also the Chanel phone holder, and I put my cash inside, and also the Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire. I also use it as my catch-all. And you see there's a lot of space left, and usually I would put in my scarf or my kids stuff like snacks or some toys, or sometimes my husband will ask me to put in his keys or his wallet. Okay, so next are mud shots of both bags. So here is the old bag. And here is the new one that we just unboxed. And also the side-by-side shots of the bags. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!